everyone, welcome to this lesson on converting customary units. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to take an amount and convert it between all various units. Let's start in the box in the center on things to remember. When your customary units are a unit of measurement that is used primarily in the United States. There are a few other countries, but it is primarily used in the United States. And you can convert between units using various different techniques, but we're going to convert using dimensional analysis. You could also use equivalent rates. Now, underneath here, I have all of the different conversions for customary units. First, on the left, we have length. And the length conversions are things involving inches and feet and yards and miles, all those conversions. Then we have capacity in the center, things that we can fill up, like quarts and gallons and pints and cups and tablespoons and teaspoons and all of that. And then all the way to the right, we have weight, which is pounds and ounces and tons in our customary system of measurement. So let's jump on over here to number 1 on the left. We want to convert 6 pints to cups. Now, before we do that, I just want to refresh your memory on multiplying fractions and something that we do there, which will be similar to dimensional analysis. Now, if you remember when we would multiply 3/5 times 2/3, both the 3 in the numerator and the 3 in the denominator could be simplified by a factor of 3. So I could divide out essentially both 3's by 3, and I would get 1. We're going to use that thinking and process when we're doing dimensional analysis, except we're going to use dimensions, like the units. So you start with what's given. We have 6 pints, so I write 6 pints as a fraction over 1. Now I'm going to multiply it by another fraction that will help me change the pints to cups. Now, I want to be able to cancel out pints or get rid of pints. So if I put the pints down here, these 2 pints will cancel out. They'll simplify out. And I want to change it to cups. Then I look down in my conversions and I'm looking for the conversion between pints and cups. Well, I can see here that 1 pint will equal 2 cups. So I put the 1 by pint and the 2 by cups. Then I multiply my fractions across. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. So I'm left with 12. And the only unit not crossed out is cups. So my answer would be 12 cups. And you could also write that back in the original problem. Let's try it again with the example here on the right, number 2. We want to convert 126 inches into yards. So 126 inches over 1 is how we write that as a fraction. We're going to multiply by another fraction so that we change inches to yard. In order to cancel out inches, I want to put inches down here, so the 2 inches will simplify out, and I want to change it to yards. Now I'm going to go look on my conversion table for inches and yards. Those would be found under length, and I see that 1 yard is 36 inches. So I put 1 by yard and 36 by inches. I multiply across. 126 times 1 is 126. 1 times 36 is 36. Now I know that this fraction bar line also means division, so I'm going to do 126 divided by 36, and I'll get 3.5 yards because that is not crossed out. So my answer is 126 inches is equivalent to 3.5 or 3.5 yards. I hope that this video has helped you to understand how to convert between customary units using dimensional analysis, and I hope that it will help you to complete the rest of the worksheet. I look forward to seeing you again in another video. Bye for now.